UMP ke Kongres Natura Saleng Sangma ulapan pa jingkemen bau Zenith Sangma wan Phai Biang ke Kongres hakani kenti hadin berwapet no syuak election aja apulai habakran mendagasngi ke apuknai terik risau aja pesan hadin berapediang sofa ke parti yau Zenith ke Kongres Hasilong Kongres Baban usaleng ulaong bau Khun Sarong Aurea ulawan Phai Biang tang ba 4 day ukpa ulong baga Kongres kadon hakitits na magipait ba hakaruhis nama ba nadu upi esang maru ulong betirang ba hakapo ba udon haka Kongres barkiweru kabadon kam kalong bansay yaki kertong giba Biang katkum kamuan upait ba usaleng ulong baga parti khotso baru yakitu ba mino ban wan Phai Biang saka Kongres nama ba lesi kisya Pynshoi hauksuit mensua rai ban khotlut nama bakidon ru gibawan ban pensneu yaka hol election ni saka ke HDC usaleng ulang bakasyong hakipat ba banjit ke parti ke baki lai lui ban penbor.
Election is there in Garo Hills.
We plan good for the people. If the people wants to accept it, let them. It's the choice. We will try to do the best, because you see, one time Congress might be in the ruling, but that time the leaders were the same. You got my point. When the Congress was there, P.A. Sangma was there, Dr. Mukul was there, but since there is no more P.A. Sangma and then other leaders, we are here with even in the old bottle also we have got a new water, new wine.
So
Not me actually, we will see, because we will not bring them back all, because all of them might not be good, some of them might be good. Okay, we might bring them some of them.
Is it possible that
It's not necessary that all the TMC MLA should come. You got my point? It's not necessary. So we have to look at and then take the view from the people whom they like. So let the people, it should be the people's choice. We just don't want to bring them everybody back, either from the NPP or from the NCP or from anybody, or from any TMC like that. So let me tell you, I am the MP from the Meghalaya. You see, there was the MP from the Meghalaya from the Congress before also. P.A. Sangma was MP from the Congress. Everyone was MP from the, even P.A. Sangma was also the Chief Minister from the Congress. So Congress will never end, as I have told you. Congress will always grow, it will ever grow. So Congress is always in their heart, with the people's heart. So only thing is that we have to give a right candidature in the right, in the right area, like a good placement. We welcome them if they want to come back, because you see, God has given us a free will, so you cannot judge on that. Sometimes that's why there is a devil actually. So devil is always behind to tempt them. Okay, that's why they have a free will. If they want to come back, they are, we welcome them. Now, it's not about the GHCD. It's about the people. If the people realizes that our 6th schedule is going to be scrapped this and that way, or maybe it's going to be deduced into some kind of pulling out the power from the 6th schedule. So all kinds of things are there. So that's why it's the people's choice. We just cannot command or direct the people to vote for the Congress. If the people thinks is right, if they think that they need a changes, then they might give back to the Congress. You see, Congress is there always there, but you see, it's not the it's not the leader. I mean, it's not the Congress is always there with the people itself. Okay, but when the wrong candidature has been given in the area where they wanted, definitely people deflected from that particular area. So Congress has not been out. Congress is always there, and Congress will be there.
Zenith is okay with his joining?
I'm very much happy. After all, it will not only boost the party, it will boost the society, and then moreover, it will give a confidence to the, give a confidence to the people from the Meghalaya and then the party as a whole.
Many state that this is a paving way for Dr. Mukul. Will you be open if Dr. Mukul joins back the party?
I don't want to speak on his behalf, because he himself has already said bluntly that he will never join the Congress party even in the future also. So we welcome everyone's decision.
well,
when Zenith left, he left because of pushing?
No, you see, for example, you see that's why I related to that particular prodigal son. Now he has realized. So he has come back. He has redeemed himself. So there's even the father, the parents, the family has accepted the prodigal son. Why can't we? He is a good man, so he wants to do something good for the people. That's why we accepted him. Party has accepted him. High command has accepted him. That's why we are working on that one. He has himself has spoken, right? So I need not have to clarify that one. Anything?
Thank you so much.
Come back. I think not the father.